riding on a scooter, getting the shots that you need, vlogging. Walking around, vlogging, taking video shots. The cage protects the camera all around. We're reviewing today from the company Llano. Llano makes cages for the DJI Osmo Action 360 camera, the Osmo 360, as well as the Action 3, 4, 5 camera. And we're going to open up the Action 3, 4, 5 cage and show you what it looks like and the color of the unit. It is a gunmetal gray type color with the locking mechanism to open up in a reddish color, as well as the shutter button. We have the DJI Osmo Action 4. We're going to put it into the cage by going to the back side, opening up and releasing, taking the camera and sliding in correctly with the screen facing to the back and placing in and locking down. Listen for the click. It is secured and locked into place. You're able to turn the camera on by a quick snap. The speaker is not covered, but the battery door is easy and accessible by opening up and removing the battery compartment. Closing up for quick access changing and locking down. We have a 1/4 20 thread, so we can place on a tripod for vertical portrait shots. If using a microphone receiver, we're able to attach to the side, on the top, a microphone receiver. It fits nice and snug. For the DJI microphone receivers, they fit nice and snug into the slot and smoothly. They do cover the switch that's able to go on to shoot your video. The mode on button is easy access to.
C1.
And to turn off. Switching from a tripod mount to the actual original clip-on mounts and shooting video. So if you're looking for cages from Llano for your Action 3, 4, and 5 or DJI Osmo Action 360 camera, these mounts may be right for you. For on-the-go action, vlogging, biking, helmets, anywhere you need to protect your camera, the Action mounts. Enjoy your product. If you're looking for Llano, DJI Osmo 360, or Action 345 case. No matter what you do, will you share your fun with the cage from Llano? Enjoy your product if this is right for you.